How kind. Hen gave Pig an egg. How kind, said Pig. Pig kept that egg safe and warm. Hen is so kind, he thought. I would like to do something kind too. Pig gave Rabbit a carrot. This is for you, said Pig. How kind, said Rabbit. Pig was so kind, thought Rabbit. I will do something kind too. He picked some flowers. These flowers are for you, Cow, said Rabbit. How kind, said Cow. Rabbit is very kind, thought Cow. How can I be kind too? She gave Cat some milk. How kind, said Cat. Cow is so kind, thought Cat. I want to be kind too. She looked for a puppy. Let's play your favorite game, Puppy, said Cat. How kind, said Puppy. They chased around and around. Cat is so kind, thought Puppy. I want to be kind too. Puppy fetched a stick and scratched Pig's back. How kind, said Pig. Would you like to see my egg, Puppy? Puppy looked at the egg. It's nice, he said. What is it for? Crack went the egg. Cheep went the chick. Hello, you lovely little chick, said Pig and Puppy. They brought the chick back to Hen, and the hen said, How kind.